Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In this lecture, I will discuss an important question of ARGAND diagram in complex numbers. An important advice: keep smiling. It's Sunnah of Holy Prophet Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. You can find the link of the math website in the description, where you can find a soft copy of this lecture. Question number 34, part B1 and 2. Part 1. On an ARGAND diagram, sketch the loci of points representing complex numbers w and z such that modulus w minus 1 minus 2i is equal to 1 and argument z minus 1 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Well, this equation means the locus of w is a circle with center at 1 plus 2i and radius 1. Whereas this second equation means the locus of z is a straight line of angle 3 pi by 4 from 1 on real axis. Here is the circle. The radius of this circle is 1 and the center is at 1 plus 2i and w is anywhere on the circumference. And here is the locus of z. This angle is 3 pi by 4. Three pi by 4 means this line is parallel to y is equal to minus x. So this line must skirt both the intercepts at the common points. So this must be 1. And this angle must be 3 pi by 4. And z is anywhere on this line. So this means circle of radius 1 and center at 1 plus 2i, and this means straight line from 1 on real axis of angle 3 pi by 4. But we have to sketch both of these loci on a single ARGAND diagram. First, check the fair solution of this part. Z minus 1 3 pi by 4, this is here, and the locus of w is circle. This is just for your conceptual clarity. You have to sketch the final diagram, this one. So when you will combine these two, this line will come here. This is here. So this is the answer of part 1, B part 1. Now B part 2. Calculate the shortest distance. Least value means the shortest distance between W and Z for points on these loci. So for the shortest distance between these two, we have to drop a perpendicular from center of the circle to this line. And this angle is 90 degrees. And this is the shortest distance, because when W is here and Z is here, then this distance is least. So to get the positions of W and Z, drop a perpendicular from center to this line. So here is W and here is Z. And this distance is required, this one. Now how will you find this distance? This is very simple. See, you have to drop a line from center to this point to get this triangle. And this length is 2, because this is 2. This is the radius of the circle, which is 1, and we need this total distance first to get this small distance. So first find this total distance by using sine theta in this triangle. Once you will find this total distance, then you have to subtract the radius from this total distance to get this small distance. Here is the triangle, and this is the final argan diagram of B part 2. This is 2, this is 1, this angle is pi by 4 because this is 90 and total is 3 pi by 4. So first we will find this total distance by using sine in this triangle. Once we will get this total distance, we will subtract this radius from this total distance to get this small distance. Here is the triangle. So by using sine in this triangle, we have sine pi by 4 is equal to opposite upon 2. We are finding opposite. Opposite is under root 2. Make sure you give your answer in exact form. See, this total distance is under root 2 and this is 1 and this is root 2. So you have to subtract this radius from this root 2 to get this small distance. So the least value of modulus w minus z is under root 2 minus r, which is under root 2 minus 1. I hope this lecture will help you to understand how to solve complicated questions of argan diagrams in complex numbers. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.